Hello, everybody at Grange EYFS, Nursery and Reception. We know what we need to do at Grange. We know that good listening is really important. We know that kind words are really important. We know that great actions are really important. We know we have our CC way, confidence and consideration. So, children of Grange, you do absolutely brilliantly. And every week I check class charts to see who are the gold stars of the week, who are the class champions, and who's been classy class. So, first of all, let's talk about our class champions. Well, in Olada Quaino class in the nursery, we have class champions. Well done, Baran, I'm proud of you. Well done, Lorenza, I'm proud of you. And well done, Ayan. That is wonderful. And in Alan Turing class, well done, Jan. Well done, Kavish. And well done, Isam. I'm so proud of all of you. In Bob Marley class, well done, Samaya. And well done, Manal. And well done, Shema. I'm so proud of you. And in Greta Thunberg class, lots of class champions. Well done, Lewis. Well done, Zach. Well done, Adera. Well done, Harris. Well done, Kevin. And well done, Sophia W. I am so proud of all of you. You are all class champions. So who have been the gold stars this week? Well, I'm reading on my computer. And in Alan Turing, I've got Ilham, fantastic work. And in Alan Turing, I've got Hala, brilliant work. And in Alan Turing, I've got Kavish, amazing. And in Alan Turing, I got Sophia O, well done to you. And looking at more golds, let's see, in Olada Equino, I've got Baran, brilliant. And Lorenza, amazing. And Ayan, well done. I'm proud of you. And those are all the golds from this week. Really well done. So who is the classy class? Well, with 102 points, so that's in third place, is Greta Thunberg class with 102 points. I've got to say, Bob Marley were just behind Greta Thunberg, just 3 points less. And in second place is Olada Equino with 302 points. But the classy class of the week, get ready to give yourselves a pat on the back, and all of us give them a big round of applause. It's with 347 points. It's Alan Turing class. Well done, Alan Turing class. Sorry for making their camera shake. I'm just clapping over here. I hope you're all clapping. Well done, Alan Turing class. So, for this week, I tell you what I'm going to look for. Something that in Grange early years children are really, really great at doing already. So this is CC sitting. Now, you know CC walking. When you put your hand on your heart and you walk along with respect for everybody, that's CC walking. Now, what is CC sitting? So CC sitting is when you sit up straight, when your eyes track the speaker. So you really look at whoever's talking, you give them your concentration and your focus, and you listen to where they tell you to look as well. So if they say, look at your board, then you look at your board, or look at the board, you look at the board, look at me. So you track the speaker. And then you ask questions when it's time to ask, and you respond, you answer questions when it's time to answer, and you respect everybody sitting around you. So you let the person sitting next to you sit really nicely and listen really carefully. So CC sitting, up straight, looking at the speaker, asking and responding when it's the right time to do that. So no calling out. And respecting everybody around us. So this week I really want to look to see if I can see some CC star sitters. I'm proud of you, children of Grange. You know that you are powerful. You know that you're kind. You know that you are loved. You know that you're worthy. You know that you're Grange, and you know that you're going to make it. Hand on heart to give me a CC salute. I'm giving you a CC salute. Have a great week, children of Grange EYFS.